Hello there, welcome to my video presentation of my Express Portfolio website. This work is in fulfillment of Assignment 1 of the COMP229 course at Centennial College for the Winter 2023 session. Thank you for following along. So, based on the assignment requirements, the first item I'm going to talk about is I'm going to be presenting the website. And whenever you come to my website the first time, the first thing I want you to notice is that the website has been deployed to Heroku. And you can see from the home page that the website is on Heroku. And this basic homepage just it's a basic website, just gives information about myself and my skills, and also an About Me button. The About Me button, you click on it, it takes you to my page, my About Me page, and so that shows the linkage between that button and the About Me page. So from the home page, you see all information about myself. You see my logo, you see my name. You also see my menu items. So all the menu items as requested in the assignment have been put in there. So the next thing also, I take you to the About Me page. On the About Me page, you see I put my name boldly, a little bit of information about myself, my skill set, a little bit of information about my history, and then if I click on the professional resume, it shows my resume on the screen here. So basically that's it. And then when I go to my projects page, it shows me all the major projects that I've worked on, starting from my Office 365 project that I did in 2018, one of my big projects. I did it for the provincial government. I also did a retail mobile banking app last year in the Middle East. So it's also a very big project. And then there's also an enterprise pension solution modernization project that I did in South Africa. So those are my main projects. And then the services. These are my services. My services are in my list: software development, software design and architecture, enterprise and solutions architecture, and data analytics and enterprise reporting. So those basically, my services. And then the contact me page. The contact me page also works. This is my contact details, and this is my send me page for my form to send my message. So if you put information on here, you're going to see if you should be able to send me an email. Okay, the only thing that remains with this page is for it to be hooked up to the backend for sending email messages. So that's it. Basic website, everything is working, and you can see you click on the button, it sends the email, and then it takes me back to the home page. So that's it for this website. Thank you very much for taking time to look at it. I really appreciate it. So this is the last item that I'm going to be talking about in this assignment video. I'm going to be describing app.js. App.js is the application configuration tool, or rather program. It's a JavaScript module. And this JavaScript module, what it does is it helps with the configuration of our Express package that is used as the main engine for our Node.js application. So the first item I'm going to be highlighting is the required object. So one thing that we all know is that Node.js, as we all know, is based on the HTTP package that is a core package for Node.js. So Express is built on it. So we're still using some of the packages from HTTP. One of it is HTTP errors. So the next thing is on this second line is you can see that we are also getting an object called Express, the Express module. We're also getting the path module. The path is the core Node.js module. We're also getting the cookie parser, which is a special module for passing cookies that are sent between web pages and the backend, and then the logger. So the logger is the one that logs all information and things going behind the scenes on the application, so that you can go back and do your debugging whenever you want to. So here on this line, our routers are defined using the require statement also. So here we define our routes, we define our routers, and then we now launch our app.js. As we know, this is a configuration module. So what it does, it gets our app, our Express application, and then we now start to do the configuration. The first thing it does is to set the views, section. It sets the views to the views subfolder here, where all the views for the application are located, all the EDS specials. So the reason why we are doing the part join and setting the views is so that you can just refer to each of our our pages, our partial pages, without having to refer to the full path. This helps a lot in making sure that our website is portable. We can move it from one environment to another. Also, the view engine has been specified in this configuration, and then all the different objects that were created here, the logger, the path, the express framework, the routers, all of them have been set here using the use statement. Okay, and then after that, we also define the error handler, which is a special function that we created here. And then the error handler is also defined here using this function, whereby whenever you go to a route that doesn't exist, you're going to create the 404 error. And this is the 404 error catcher. And then this is the basic code that actually does the error handling. So that's it for this for this demonstration.